So there are a lot of common mistakes made when we ask for things like bank statements and a transaction history. I wanted to make this video so you could quickly understand what exactly it is we're looking for and in what format. So a bank statement is a specific format that a bank uses for including all information on the history of a certain account on a certain time period. The reason we need a full bank statement instead of a summary is because there's a lot more information on that statement than there is on a bank summary. So in this example, each website will be different, but you can get a basic idea. When you log into your online account for most banks, you'll be able to see different accounts laid out here. For example, Complete Advantage Checking and then Savings. Click on the first account and it should bring you to the summary page. This will give you a brief overview of all the transactions that have recently occurred. Depending on your bank, you may be able to change the view so it's only showing you the last transaction since the end of the last statement. If not, that's no problem. It'll just give more information than we really need. Depending on your computer, the best bet would be to hit File, Print, and print it as a PDF. If not, just print it out on your computer and scan it to us in the format that it prints out. This first section, because it shows us any transaction history that's gone on since your last statement, in case there's any big deposits that we need to be aware of up front, instead of waiting a couple of weeks for your next statement to come out. It is important. Once you've got that done, you're going to want to get a copy of the full bank statements. It's located right here on Wells Fargo, but if you have a different bank, you're going to look for something that specifically says view e-statements or view past statements, something that has the verbiage of statement in it. That way you know exactly what format it's coming. Now that you have a view of all the available statements, you want to go ahead and click on the most recent two to be able to download these full statements. So this is an example of what a full bank statement looks like. You can tell that it has the complete bank account, not just the last four. It has the date range that it's available, and it says a number of pages. What's really important here is that if it says pages 1 through 7, you need to include all 7 pages, not 1 through 6, because page 7 was intentionally left blank. We need to see every single page. Now, depending on which version of Adobe Reader you have, the Save button will be located on a different area. For me, it's here at the bottom when you put your cursor over this area. Hit Save and then just name it something that'll be easy to remember, and then you can just attach it as instead of having to print it out and scan it. You'll repeat this process for each account. If you have any questions, give me a call.